Today we're going to make a very quick and simple dessert, delicious and very easy to prepare, with ingredients we always have at home. For this recipe, we're going to use Maria or Mana cookies, or the simplest, plainest cookies you can find, 400 grams. We'll put them all in a bag. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. In this simple way, we'll crush them. We break larger pieces by hand. Then we can use the rolling pin to help grind them as well, but we'll always leave a few pieces whole. We put the crushed cookies in a bowl and add a whole can of creamy dulce de leche, 400 grams. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, then we'll mix it a little with the spoon. We use the spoon to help us. And then we're going to mix it very well with our hands so that the dough gets properly moistened. Now we need to patiently combine all the ingredients until a thick dough forms. Once everything is combined, it's ready. We're going to use plastic wrap. We're going to place the dough here on the plastic wrap so we can shape it. We're going to shape it like a sausage with our hands. We're going to knead it, we're going to keep turning it, and we're also going to tap it a little. The dough is pressed against the table, applying pressure so it loses all the air and becomes nice and compact. Once we're done shaping it, we place it on a surface and put it in the fridge on the top shelf in the refrigerator. We leave it there for at least an hour. Then we take it out, remove it from the mold, and we can cut it and it's ready to enjoy. Please comment if you already knew about this dessert and what you thought of it. A fast, easy, tasty dessert